I guess this was question 4. This will be question 5. Mhm. Um, it is given that cotangent theta of -3/8 and theta terminates in quadrant 2. Find the exact value of all 6 trig functions for theta. Express your answers as reduced fractions. Decimal answers will not be accepted. So what we'll do here, and the theta terminates in quadrant 2. So in the quadrant 1, all angles are positive. In quadrant 2, sine and cosecant are positive. In the, I think for the second one, yeah. So, and it is saying that the theta is in quadrant 2. So sine and cosine will be positive. Sine and cosecant will be positive, and all the other angles or all the other ratios will be negative. And cotangent of theta is given as -3/8, and cotangent of theta is base over opposite side, or I can say adjacent over opposite side. Over opposite side. So it means that we have a triangle in such a way. What is happening here? We have a triangle. Let's say this is another line, and this is a right angle triangle in such a way. Now, one thing I want to mention, that with trigonometric ratios, we do not get the exact value of sides. They are just ratios. But let's say the side, or let's say the ratio is 1 to 1, so I can just write these sides as adjacent. If say this one was theta, then this will be 8 and this will be 3. I'm not writing this minus sign because according to the ratio I'll just put a minus sign, because this is length and length is in positive, so I'll just use magnitudes here. So this is 3 and this is 8. To find the hypotenuse, we'll just use the Pythagoras theorem. So it will be, hypotenuse will be square root of 8 square plus 3 square. It will be square root of, this will be 64 plus 9. This will be 73, I guess. I'll just cross check with the solution. Okay, so they have directly found the angle also, but yeah, so okay, so they have directly found the angle using calculator. What we can do, okay, I'll just go with 73, I guess. It should be 73, I guess. Yeah, it should be 73, and 73 is irrational, I know that. So I have to directly find the square root of this. From the two values theta equal to 115, the angle is, so they are using the calculator here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll find the square root of 73 using my calculator. So the square root of 73 is 8.544. So this will be 8.544, and yeah, so cotangent theta is -3/8, tangent theta is 1 over cotangent of theta, which will be 1 over negative 3 over 8, and that will be negative of 8 over 3. Now we need sine and cosine. So for sine theta, it will be opposite over hypotenuse. So 8 over 8.544, 8 over 8.544, this will be 8 over 8.544.93, and sine, okay, 0.936, correct, I'm getting the correct answer, 936. Cosine of theta will be, adjacent is 3 over 8.544, so this will be 3 over 8.544, 0.35112. And yeah, we have to write the answers in I guess fractions. So I'll just write this 936 over 1000. Oh god, this is going to be a really hectic job. I have to do the division yet. Okay, I'll just cross check with the division given here. I'll just cross check this value. So for, I guess, yeah, okay, yeah, so we need to put the negative sign. So for sine it will be positive, tangent it is negative, and for cosine it will be negative. So this is going to be okay, positive, and I'll just calculate that what is 117 over 125 and 0.936. So we can directly write this as 117 over 125, and for this one they haven't done anything, so I can just write 351 over 1000, obviously negative. Then again cosecant is 1 over sine, and sine is positive, so cosecant will be positive, so it will be 125 over 117. I'll just taking the reciprocal of this, nothing much. And we have cosecant. Secant, we need to find secant, so secant will be 1 over cosine, and that will be 1 over minus 351 over 1000. That will be 1000 minus and then 351. Have they done something? No, they haven't solved this further. So I guess and yeah, obviously you can just calculate, it will be 110 only, because so I'll just explain one thing, that for the given case cotangent is negative, and cotangent is going to be negative in second quadrant, this one, and in this quadrant. So in these two quadrants cotangent is going to be negative, and if we just write the value, or if we find the angles, then we'll get two angles. One will lie in this one, and the other will lie in the fourth quadrant. But in the question it is given that the angle terminates in quadrant 2. That means the angle is in quadrant 2, so we'll take the angle which is 110. So theta is 110.55 degrees. We'll take this because the other one will be somewhere around here. It is negative, so it will be like this, 66.44 degree, and we won't be taking because it is in quadrant 4. So I guess that is all, I guess. Yeah, that is all for this question also. So I'll just write correct solution, and then good work, solution is correct. And we'll be going to our next question. Will